Valentine's Day is all about sweetness. Sweet hearts, sweet desserts, sweet Valentine's Day cards, it never stops. And when it comes to holiday themed desserts, you have plenty to choose from. But here's a not too sweet option. It is a buttermilk muffin with dark chocolate chunks and raspberries. It's thought that the idea of celebrating love on February 14th goes all the way back to the 1840s, and Cadbury started to market chocolates back in Victorian England. They were packaged in handcrafted, heart-shaped boxes that became collectibles until World War II, when sugar was rationed. That all changed after the war was over. Now it's more than chocolates that are used to celebrate your love. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And click on the little bell to get a notification when I post a new video. This muffin recipe is pretty versatile. It can be kept as it is, or you can add pretty much anything you want. Nuts, fruits, candied, fresh or frozen, even your favorite jam. This recipe makes about 12 large muffins or 18 smaller cupcake-sized muffins. First, we'll get started with the crumble topping. In a medium bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Give it a stir to mix it all in. Stir in the melted butter and mix it just until it comes together. It'll be like thick peanut butter. Let's set this aside. Line with muffin liners of your choice. I didn't have any, so I made mine out of parchment paper. I cut 6 by 6 inch squares. That's about 15.5 centimeters. And shape them to the bottom of a drinking glass that fits inside the muffin tin. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius, and then spray your muffin tins with a light coat of baking spray. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, nutmeg, and salt, and set this aside. I'll be using a stand mixer for this. You can use a hand mixer, but it could strain the motor as the batter is very thick. In the bowl of a stand mixer, fit it with a paddle attachment. Cream the butter with both the granulated sugar and the brown sugar. Let this mix until it's fluffy. It takes about 4 minutes. Next, add in the eggs and yolk, one at a time, letting it mix in before adding the next egg. Mix on medium-low speed. Scrape down the sides to incorporate all of the mixture. Slow the speed down to low and add in the vanilla and buttermilk. Once combined, start adding in the flour 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix just until you don't see any white flour left. Scrape down the side of the bowl to incorporate the batter. Using a spatula, add in the chocolate chunks and the raspberries. If you're using frozen berries, don't thaw them. Break them up as best you can and then add them into the batter, folding gently until combined. Using a tablespoon or scoop, fill the lined muffin tin just below the rim of the tin. With your hands, break apart the crumble and press it lightly into the batter. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, checking at 20 minutes with a toothpick or a skewer. It should come out clean. Allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. And then transfer to a plate. You can store these covered tightly with plastic wrap on in a cool room on the counter for about 2 days before needing to refrigerate them. Then you can keep them in the fridge for about a week. These are terrific for breakfast and a snack anytime. If you make these, please leave me a comment below and let me know how they turned out. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm going to enjoy one of these. Look at all the chocolate. Just the right amount of chocolate and tartness from the berries. So good. Thanks for watching.